Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. AI Lesson 1, using AI tools to generate high-quality text and images. Here's a comprehensive guide to using PromptPerfect, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot. Let's get started with PromptPerfect. Type PromptPerfect AI on Google search. Click on the first link, PromptPerfect AI Prompt Generator and Optimizer. Click the login button and sign up using either your Google account or your email and password. Don't forget to tick the terms and conditions box. Once logged in, you will see two sections: Optimizer, which helps you generate prompts; Assistant, which assists you with fixing grammar and spelling errors, rephrasing sentences, composing tweets, and writing emails. In this video, our focus is on generating a perfect prompt. This will serve as a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identifying and clarifying users' requirements. Begin by understanding the goal and context of the prompt. Ask yourself, what specific information or output do I need? For example, generate a detailed lesson plan. What context is essential for the AI to understand my request? For example, to teach narrative writing to Year 11 IGCSE students. Step 2. Ask the optimizer to optimize your prompt. Enter your goal and context in the taskbar. The optimizer will then guide you on what to include in your lesson plan, such as objectives, materials required, lesson structure, activities, assessment, and differentiation. In addition, it will give you a detailed prompt as you see it on the screen. It will also give you example prompts for independent practice. Further, it will ask you for specifications. You may include these specifications or specifications as outlined in your school's lesson template. Step 3. Finalize and use your prompt. Click the Send to Assistant button to have the assistant help you generate the document directly. You can use this tool to generate prompts for question papers, worksheets, quizzes, etc. Or click the Copy button to copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT to generate your final document. Your ChatGPT generated document looks like this: objectives and materials required, introduction, modeling, guided practice, independent practice, peer review, assessment, closure, summary, differentiation. Step 4. If you desire the document in customized structure, upload the PDF format of the sample document using the upload button and guide ChatGPT to follow the uploaded structure to generate the final document. For example, you can upload the lesson structure designed by your school and direct ChatGPT to generate the lesson plan in the uploaded structure. Step 5. If you need images in your text, use Microsoft Copilot AI to generate images. Type Microsoft Copilot AI on Google search. Click on the first link, search Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Click the Sign In button, use your school email and password. Once logged in, you will see a taskbar that helps you to generate images. Step 6. Follow the same process you followed for generating the text prompt. Begin by understanding the goal and context of the prompt. Ask yourself, what specific image do I need? For example, generate an image for the story. What context is essential for the AI to understand my request? For example, to teach narrative writing to Year 11 IGCSE students. Step 7. Use the taskbar Ask Me Anything. Enter your goal and context in the taskbar. For example, generate an image to teach narrative writing to Year 11 IGCSE students. The Copilot will provide you with images and specifications such as including a plot diagram, adding examples of different narrative techniques, incorporating character development tips, and so on. Select the specification as per your requirement. If you use the specification 1, you will receive plot structure as well as images associated with it. By adhering to these guidelines and continuously refining your approach, you can harness the full potential of PromptPerfect, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot to generate high-quality text and image outputs tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more AI lessons. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if you found this video helpful. Share this video with your peers. Share your feedback in the comments. Let's master AI tools together.